You are handing over $300 for a gadget that promises to save your sanity. But what they do not mention on the shiny product page is the hidden tax waiting for you every single month. New parents are flocking to this automated bottle washer like it is some kind of holy grail. On the surface, it looks like a high-tech marvel. It has dozens of spray jets and enough cleaning modes to make a professional dishwasher jealous. It even claims to use a medical-grade filter to keep things sterile. But the moment you unbox this thing, you realize you have just signed up for a subscription you never agreed to. You cannot just use your favorite dish soap from the grocery store. No, you are forced to buy their specific detergent tablets. If you are running a couple of cycles a day, those starter tablets are gone before you even find your rhythm. Then you are on the hook for $20 every few months just to keep the thing running. Plus, they want you to use distilled water and special descaling tablets. It is a constant stream of tiny costs. It turns a one-time purchase into a permanent line item in your budget. Then there is the space issue. This machine is a bit of a beast on the counter. It has no wheels. It has to sit right next to your sink because of the drain hose. For something that only fits 4 bottles at a time, it takes up a massive amount of real estate. If you throw in your pump parts, you are lucky to fit 3 bottles. You will find yourself running this thing 3 or 4 times every single day. The real kicker is that the company behind it already has a newer version out. This updated model washes 8 bottles for the exact same price. If you buy the current 4-bottle version, you are paying full price. But you are getting yesterday's technology. It feels like a bit of an emotional gut punch once you realize you could have had double the capacity for the same investment. There are reports of these machines shipping straight from warehouses in China despite the high-end branding. It makes you wonder what you are really paying for. But here's the part that actually complicates things. Despite the hidden costs and the capacity issues, the machine actually works. Independent tests show it leaves absolutely zero residue on the bottles. The steam sterilization is intense and effective. Some parents are reporting that they get 2 full hours of their lives back every single day. For a sleep-deprived mom or dad, 2 hours is worth more than gold. It beat out the biggest names in the industry in recent reviews. So the question is not whether it works. It definitely works. The question is whether you are okay with the commitment. You are buying into an ecosystem, not just a tool. It is a legitimate time saver that comes with strings attached. You have to decide if that trade-off is worth it for your family. If you want to avoid the marketing hype and get down to the truth, you have to look past the 5-star reviews. There is always a catch when a product seems too good to be true. I am here to find those catches so you do not have to. Keep your eyes open and do not let the slick branding distract you from the long-term costs. There is always another trending gadget around the corner, and I will be there to see if it is actually worth your hard-earned money. Every bit counts when we are trying to figure out what is actually worth the hype. See you in the next one.